Labour rights, ring the bell them. Winner, we are winner, we are winner. JLP winner, we are winner, we are winner. Labour rights, winner, we are winner, we are winner. When the hand them there, Labour Party a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica, cause we love for Jamaica. And to a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica, cause we love for Jamaica. Them call we jump down the island in the sun. If you want some fun, Labour Party we second to none. Boy, give me the jelly water, coconut we make run down. The reggae bass with the drum, we sugar cane make the best white rum. Labour right, big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica. We just love for Jamaica. And you a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica. We just love for Jamaica. Out of many party, we are done. We little bit, but we strong. You see them bold, big up Shelly and Black.
Yeah, shout, my friend, shout!
Fit man.
Show up, lad! Show up!
This one is we are better than one of
We're currently on North Street in Central Kingston.
And when we come to talk to you, things that we have done that is going to make your life better, we ask you to vote for the Jamaican Labour Party for a reason. And our reason is that we have worked and we have worked hard. We thank you for the support and we ask you to choose wisely. Choose the Jamaican Labour Party. God bless you. Love you, Labour Rights.
Yes, Labour Rights, you hear from the Prime Minister. You hear from the Prime Minister of Jamaica, most honorable Dr. Jamaican Holness, and Road. And your member of Parliament, Donovan Impact Williams, you hear from them. We're going right through the constituency. Okay, Madam Anton, I get a message from both of them. They said to tell you that the election will announce shortly. And when the day of decision comes, early in the morning, remember the symbol. The symbol is the bell. All you have to do is just put your accent beside the bell.
Yeah.
We love the cocoa with the yam. You know see how the woman them strong. Our love never change. We big up Shiny, we love Babsy Green. Andrew a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run left Jamaica. We just love for Jamaica. We ever right big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run left Jamaica. We just love for Jamaica. Wave your hand if you love me slow. Marcus Garvey, Bob Marley too. Edward Siaga, Master for true. Tourists a fly back a yard for the food. Oh. Say hey Mr. Pilot, me a beg a change back the rules. We a head back a yard. Me neighbor fi give me 2 breadfruit. Labor right big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run left Jamaica. We just love for Jamaica. Help me big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run left Jamaica. We just love for Jamaica. Them call we jump down the island in the sun. If you want some fun, Jamaica we second to none. Boy, give me the jelly water. Coconut we make run down. The reggae bass with the drum. We sugar cane make the best right from. Samuda pick up the era. We are the one for Jamaica. We not run left Jamaica. We just love for Jamaica. Help me big up Jamaica. We are the one for Jamaica. We not run left Jamaica. We just love for Jamaica.
Looking for work and cannot find work. 50,000. Out of a labor force of approximately 1.7 million Jamaicans. So that means that there are over 1.6 million Jamaicans working. Who are the 50,000 that not working? And I see a few of them putting up their hands. See, we here. Some young people, mostly. Now, in any economy, you know, you will always have some people not working. But you have jobs, but they just don't have the skills that match those jobs. And that is why we have made Hearts Free. We are trying to get all our young people into training that can get them the skills to match the jobs that are available. 13% of the labor force was unemployed. Today, only 3.3% of the labor force is unemployed. 50,000 people. But there are jobs there for them. We just need to train them to get those jobs. That is an amazing change that has happened. We reached the point where business people who have industries and commercial activity, you know what they're asking me to do? They're asking me to go and import the labor skills that they need. But I said we don't reach there yet. We still have the young people then that we must train. I point out those two things to you as two profound change, major change, that is making Jamaica a better place. But for communities like Almond Town, like Parade Gardens and other parts of their zone, the popping down, you want them now to be rebuilt. And your government has started a program. And all of the people here who have houses and own the yard, and listen to this one carefully. It is called the Small Developers Program through the NHD. If you have a house here and you want to redevelop the house, maybe put in 1 or 2 apartments that you can rent, go to the NHD, tell them you want to borrow some funds, good interest rate, good terms, and they will come in, they will inspect your property, they will develop the plan, and they will help you to rebuild the house with the potential for you to sell part of it or rent out part of it. Because right here so is good location for people to live. It's central because you're close to everything.
The Prime Minister has indicated that it will be soon. How soon? Very soon. Now, there are those who are going around with a sense of entitlement and with a spirit and aura of entitlement. Indeed, their campaign is branded and slogan, the time comes. Now, we believe in pressing flesh, pressing the pavement, taking nothing for granted. We, for us, the Jamaican Labour Party, which happens to form government at this time, and we are gunning for a third successive term of office. We believe that getting your vote and getting your support on election day is about messaging, campaigning, winning your trust and support, not just on the basis of what we say we're going to do, but on the basis of our proven track record. We have our achievement documents that we've been taking around the communities across Jamaica, and on the basis of what we have done, we're asking you, Jamaica, for your support for a third term of office. Show our labor rights.
Labor rights, ring the bell them. Winner, we are winner, we are winner. JLP winner, we are winner, we are winner. Labor rights, winner, we are winner, we are winner. When the hand them there, Labour Party a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica, cause we love the Jamaica. And to a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica, cause we love the Jamaica. Them call we Jamaica.
financial prosperity. No, we never said that it would happen overnight. Still to make the future
Most honorable Dr. Jamaica Holness. Let me show you here now. Receive Member of Parliament Donovan Williams, Education Minister, Senator Dana Morris Dixon, Senator for Parliament Board. They are talking to you and greeting you. And only asking of you. Remember the whole early election day. Remember the symbol is desire. Put your hands up. The silence.